Sponsored in part by 4-Wheel Campers. Freedom on 4 wheels.
When I started refabrication work of Big Red K10's front and rear window frames, I unfortunately cracked the front window taking it out. It was immediately apparent I'd need a professional to install the new windows when restoration work was completed. Fortunately, Moss Auto Glass in Fremont was recommended to me. Efren, the owner, and his son-in-law came out to do the work. I purchased high-quality window weather strip from Steel Rubber Products before their arrival. Efren ordered an OEM replacement windshield for my truck and brought it to the install. Here, Efren is installing the windshield gaskets locking strip to finish out the install.
So we're all done here. Efren's successfully installed the rear and front windows and everything looks fantastic. It's been quite a journey, but thank you very much, Efren. Really appreciate it, man. All right.